Demo Lesson 1. How to make a chain. Materials needed for most projects. Step 1. Making a slip stitch. Make a loop. Insert your hook into the loop. Now grab the long strand of yarn and pull it through the loop on the hook. Now let's make a chain. Yarn over your hook with the working strand. Pull it through the loop. One chain made. Let's make a few more chains. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Notice the loop on the tops and bottom of the right side. Flip the chain over and notice the bumps on the wrong side. The chain is easy to unravel. Just pull the working thread. Let's make a slip stitch and a few chains on our own. This video is finished. You have now learned how to chain. Next, let's make a project together in Guided Practice Video Lesson 1. A cute little chain scarf. You can now return to the lesson book.